But yeah, yo, day four. I am hella late. Yes, I know. Dreading to come look at this project. Yes, I know. Only reason I'm dreading it is because I don't know. I think it's just me when it comes to programming apps. After a while, I kind of just dread opening the app if it's not done. That's just me. And for now, it looks like the app is done, but I have to. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to try to run the app again. So one of the issues was number three, which is oh, you guys can't fucking see the prompt. Hold on, so you guys can see my VS Code. Okay, so my terminal, the third one. Each one has the first one is to show a political event. Second one, search events by keywords. Third one is to get markets for a specific event. When I went to search, gave me an error, so that's like the first one that I gotta fucking fix. Yeah, okay. All right. So and then we're just gonna go down the line. Four is add to watch list. Four. Let's add the same one. Track. Added to watch list. Now, my thing about all of this is I get we adding it to watch list too, but I low key want to know where it's going because I don't see it on my dashboard, but I don't have a watch list on my dashboard. Like I don't really know what's like, like I don't know if I chose a platform that's making this project harder for me to like navigate around. So I'm gonna say for the for the add to watch list, see it on the demo.lc market. I don't have any indication to pull it from my demo. All right. All right. So, uh, oh, so that's my political watch list. That answers my question real quick. Five, show my watch list. Six is trade decision. Okay, well, I guess I'm just confused. confused because am I going to see this also in the demo Adobe? I do not, nor I see. Yeah, I should give I see these. Which is the truth? Which is the truth? I'm only getting 15. I low key feel like I got this yesterday. That's frustrating, dog. Hey, yo, yo. Bitch. Okay. Six. Yeah, and seven is how you log out of it. Yeah, it's time. Tonight, baby. I'm addicted to that boy for bats, cause that was a very no diddy. No steady. I'm happy I'm not getting viewerships. Lord, no, I don't want to be on here for too long and just trying to see what it look like and get along. My fault. I had to text my buddy real quick. Was the yeah, one on the second floor, one by the IT room that you were sending to yesterday. Alright, I'll go check it out. I gotta shoot. So, trying to open it. Oh, I can't believe I did that. I gotta go to Postman's. Honestly, dog, I told you I have what you call it? The plug. Hmm. The motherfucker is a hacker. That's and I fucking told him like he be randomly hitting me up about like how's the day going and bullshit stuff like and the nigga goes oh no I go yeah I fucking hate it here though. He goes hey cool what's your IP address? In case you need anyone to snoop around or some shit when you're gone. Oh yeah. I'm just like sitting here like just fucking sitting here like yo low key. Could fuck with you guys in the morning. I mean, yeah, well, I mean, if you want to. Just have these shit like, hey, look, someone answered a call and like Raw Fridays here, like yeah. Like, make some like fire alarm go off. Ooh, dog. Oh shit, dog. Nah, yeah. That was just random. He had hit me up. I was like, yeah. Yeah. And if they ever get there, nah, that's it. Oh, I mean, what we did. Right. Or I'm gonna be either. Oh, yeah. So I don't know where that body. I told you. That's why he asked. Like, come to me where I said, I looked at the kid on my city. Yeah, I need a pharmaceutical. It was like, seriously? Are you hands it to their network? I'm like, this cat. I'm like, yeah. Like, I don't want to get you in a room show here, so I'm not gonna do anything stupid. Mm-hmm. But I was worried. Like that's how it started. Just picking at it and shit, because like I would fucking owe it. Yeah. Maybe, but I mean, okay, let me know. Like that's just me. Like let me know. Like I didn't know you worked there. Yeah, yeah. Like, it's like well, guys will fortune to anything. For some odd reason you don't like it. Yeah, right. Mm-hmm. And he's one of those like he doesn't. You know, how everyone has a role when it comes to scamming. Yeah. He's the information guy. Like he'll have a big Wi-Fi up, but he'll be like that same homie that wants a profile. Yeah. He actually asked me if he needs somebody like him. Like I told you, homie owes him 10K, and he said he'll give me like basically like 2 grand from the 10K if I can find where to do that. Right. Seriously. He's the same guy, but for the Instagram. Oh, word. Mhm. I was just about to text you I about guess he lent him like, I guess they were gambling or something. All right, so I'll give you my like lost 10K to him, and then you watch Blacklist? Probably. It's on Netflix. Check it out. It's basically about a guy. He's not a crime stopper. Not a vigilante. His nickname is the concierge to crime. Like he has a immunity deal with the government, Russia, and every one of the allegiance, but they want to kill him, but they can't because he has like this. Yeah, white. Well, like not white, like what, like yeah, yeah, like no, he's like and he has like white, but like white skin. Cat, yeah, white skin. He has like a cat. Bald. Yeah, I'm gonna show you right now. Blacklist. I think I have seen it. No, actually, not. Yeah, it's the series of Blacklist. Oh, the series. Yeah, no, I never watched this. Yeah, dog. Yeah, okay. Yeah, dog. Everyone's like, I got two on one. Dog. Nah, yeah, you gotta watch it, dog.
Huh? Like this is your next movie to watch or some shit? No, I thought. Well, I was on there, but I never clicked it.
Oh, that's what you were saying. It was
Yeah, it was like on my like because it knows that I like movies like that, you know. So it but I never clicked on it just because
You'll
I don't
be.
think I didn't click on it.
I'm
I
not
think
gonna
it said
say
it was
you'll
a
be.
series, and I was like, ah.
You're not. I don't know. You might be hooked. You might
But it
not.
sounds like one of the. Yeah, I think I probably will because it sounds like
Because
it.
one, keep it short. The nigga is the concierge department.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There's no way around. Like almost like you need this nigga. He comes in first episode. He comes in, turns himself in, goes in the airport. Nigga's facial recognition is like, oh, everybody's looking at him. He's like, oh, you couldn't see this nigga.
Yeah,
Years.
forever. Yeah,
This nigga cares.
yeah. Doing it. Yeah, doing it.
Just gets on his knees, gets arrested and shit. Niggas just like, yo, this they got guns at him, like, yo, this fucking ring, right?
Oh shit.
So they can't even arrest him. They have to wait there, shut the airport down. So they make that whole thing a black site now.
Oh, yeah.
Like no one can know whatever occurred because this nigga randomly just walks in.
Yeah, yeah.
So now he's like just sitting there. And this is the first like 5, 10 minutes he's sitting there. He's like, yo, what the fuck are you doing? Like the general was like, yo, you just think you could just come here and think that what?
Yeah.
You're going to come for diplomatic immunity or something? Fuck you, nigga. You're going to jail. He's like, yo, dog, talking to you without talking to the specific girl.
Yeah.
You're going to hire her as a profiler.
Yeah.
And that's it. I'm going to give you the top 10 bad guys on my list. And I guarantee you.
Yeah, it's gonna be on here. Yeah.
He said, prize niggas that you're getting, you can leave that to the NYPD so they can get a raise.
Yeah.
But my guys, the people I got,
I'm gonna promote you.
I can guarantee you they can change the world order that we live in today. We're talking about big, big U.S. Senate politicians. You let me know if you want to talk.
Yeah.
And then the nigga's like, we're not going to believe you. He's like, all right, I'll give you a free one, free trial. After this, we're not talking no more until the girl comes. Girl's going to blow up 7 p.m. And then he just turns around. Nigga's like, all right,
Yeah, whatever.
Boom. Bro, boom, bro. 7 p.m. shit happens. Niggas coming to the eye.
Yeah.
He's like,
Yeah.
I don't think you got it. Freebie. Pretty sure the motherfucker's dead, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, come on. And that was it. And then
That's
that's kind of how.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
like,
yeah.
all right, this motherfucker's not kidding. Get
Yeah,
the
yeah,
girl,
real shit.
wrap her the fuck up. Like she don't know what's going on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. She just knows that this fool wants to talk to her.
Oh, trippy, and
Yeah, I like that. Yeah,
he's controlling the strings. Like you'll think that shit is going on, but as you see the show go on, and you see how he just magically appears.
Well, that's what I'm saying. That's how that fucking guy I was telling you, that old guy, that whitey guy.
Yeah, he just magically appears.
Well, because he already he didn't imagine it because he knew the feds. So whenever the feds were on, he already knew about it because they told him.
Oh yeah.
But he'd be there because he told them, and then he'd be like, all right.
Yeah,
he was always at the right place at the right time type thing.
That's why, yeah, exactly like that.
Yeah.
And it's
but because he was getting tipped off by them fools, and nobody knew that he was getting tipped off by those fools. Well, he wasn't even getting tipped off. He was more like stealing it. Like
it's based off a true story.
Oh, it's like based off. So then probably.
I don't know because there was a dude and they killed him. It's not like the blacklist show. They was like tired of him. Like, yo, bro, you don't. It's like communicating with someone you'll never win against because you have a diplomatic immunity. You know what I'm saying? He's okay with being in prison. The nigga's okay with being in a fucking hotel. Fuck do you win against a nigga like that, bro?
Well, like
you gotta get him.
Yeah.
Either that or Russia's gonna get him. It became that's what the show is basically about. They're like, yo, dog, this nigga went from being babysitted by us and us hating him for how he just holds us by the nuts. Yeah. Just fucking losing him to Russia and being scared shitless that we might get nuked.
Yeah, no.
Like it will be like a whole 360 and then they'll get the nigga back and they're looking at him like I don't know if we can do this.
Yeah.
I can't do this, bro. And then he's looking at them at the same time. He knows he's like, are you gonna kill me? You gonna kill me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then they're like
kind of, sort of.
kind of, sort of. but he fucks with them because they're kind of sort of.
Yeah, yeah.
He's like, they might kill me. At least I know my friends are straight up gonna kill me.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Like them niggas aren't even going to wait for me to walk.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Once it's ready, it's ready.
I'm gonna stay on this side
Yeah.
where they question their decisions and I can fucking escape by the skin of my teeth or go to jail.
Yeah, yeah, right.
That's what kind of the gist of the show type shit.
Yeah, no, I think I'll probably end up watching it. 'Cause that's like up my alley right there. That's like oh, that's good. Right. Yeah, it's crazy. Some motherfucker really exists.
Dude. And that's why that I want to be a pen tester, but that's the route I want to take. Cause I don't really want to work in that sphere of military because if you know too much, they kill you anyway. Stuff.
Oh yeah.
And I kind of want to be the best, and I don't want to be the best and get killed for it. So I kind of want to flirt with a lot of different places.
I'm gonna have to be fortunate, huh?
Once they don't, you feel me? Mhm. Alright, bet. I'm about to.
Like Kevin Hart saying, "Go sleep." Night, night. You know, night, night.
Is it on the home screen? Okay. Is your friend looking for a monthly service or just a one-time thing? Because I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't know, but I'm gonna send him which would like a regular like courtesy type of thing, so I could
Yeah.
get a better gauge of what he wants.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
ain't trying to like
exactly.
these is customer prices. You feel me? Like I don't. He the homie. It's like that's how I'm looking at it as. He just hit me. Yo, you think I'm playing, dog? This nigga said. This nigga said. I don't fuck with them treating you like that, bro. I have to cook up something for you. Yo, yo, if niggas think I'm fucking alive, niggas gonna come in, the whole shit. Fred gonna be like, hey, was everything working the night before?
Right?
It was
Yeah,
working.
everything was fine.
Sure,
From
because
what I
this
from what,
morning,
from what I
every
recall.
morning, hey, yo, I'm gonna try to make every morning.
Yeah,
This
bro.
shit gotta get shut down.
Yeah,
Fucking
that's
fuck
it.
with Angelica.
Yeah.
Fuck all that shit.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Like I said, I don't even care.
Said I just sent that one. You said the other one was the
Oh, playing that guy.
oh that okay
Motherfucker had 78 wives, dog. What the fuck?
and
That motherfucker was flushing every day. 78 wives, dog. Just where he's at.
like the person
Yeah.
signal.
No, just try to find where he's like if he has where his like address is or whatever.
Oh no no
'Cause he has
no.
like his old address, but he ain't there no more. So
What you gonna call it? Nah, I know what you mean. Like, what kind of information you want me to send you? So like, see how I sent through the text through that. What kind of stuff you want me to send you? Or it doesn't go on as you know.
I was gonna say we probably keep that one
Yeah,
out of the
yeah.
text message. Because I don't know how to work it. Keep the social media one.
Social media marketing. That's what we
Yeah,
guys.
exactly.
Social media
Yeah,
marketing.
exactly.
Very, very good marketer.
Well, anything with that, we'll talk in person.
No, no, no. I won't. What you call it? I might have to take that one real quick. Think about if I want to do evil. Nah, I already know who I'm going for first.
All right.
Straight to the jugular, Joe Gannon. What did Joe do? Nothing. I just gotta have him call security one time.
All right.
Cause that's what the fire and pyramid.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta start there and then a random fire.
This is good.
I'm just calling this.
I mean, I should. I would give a fuck.
Nah, just
Shit, I would do it. I'd do it on the weekend.
it's funny because that's why I got into the IT because I wanted to know what the fuck these white niggas are doing to us, bro. You know where those niggas because no one had to make this tech. How to use
Oh yeah, that does. Be cool, man. That's my fuck. She good. Simple as that. Yeah.
You want to pick 56?
No. No. I think if you a soda. Yeah. About it. Yeah. I should, even though I shouldn't be asking for a fucking soda, but yeah, I'll take a soda. It don't matter. I ain't good for it. A root beer or whatever. If they, it don't matter. If they got root beer, I'll take a root beer. Cool. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Yeah, yeah. Second floor offices. Copy that. Thank you.
Just going like I don't know, man, because it's not even like
Oh, good. Pull that shit out right there.
mm,
Nah, I was there to tell homeboy to put money in my BCU account, so I'll straight pull that shit out from right there. I'll sit here fucking for 5 days straight pulling out a rack. Everyone, one rag you, one rag me, one rag you, one rag me. Shit. That shit happened to me one time. Like, I went to go use the ATM and that shit gave me like an extra $20. So, yeah, so I put that off like ATM like that. Fuck yeah. Need a little cool 20K.
Yeah, everyone bipolar there, except for you.
This fool should be able to beat up that car. This fool totally just like he just ran somebody over. That black car?
Oh, the that looks
That's
broken.
yeah. Like,
Broken.
like it looks like so, like low key that fool hit somebody and they landed on that fool's hood because that's what it looks like.
You know, he fell on his own damn hood.
Or yeah, or some shit like that where he jumped out of his own house and fucking or some other bitch's house and landed on his hood or some shit.
Thought you could survive or something.
But yeah, that car. Fucking shit, I ain't gonna talk shit. Hopefully this will pay for my dinner tonight.
Cool.
My this girl's parents. They're sick. I invited them. I hardly doubt it. I mean, if I got invited by somebody and it was their birthday party, I would fucking pay for them. I'd be like, hey, you're looking out with the invitation. I got it.
Yeah, I even realized that
But
late the
not
older.
everybody's like me.
Yeah.
That's so
So
motherfuckers be ready to be like, oh, it's his birthday. He's inviting. Fucking let him pay for that shit.
there's people be like, "Oh my God, you're so nice," and I'll be like, "Yeah, you know what?
Yeah, just nice doesn't mean I'm fucking rich though. That's so bad. I was gonna put this shit away in my car.
Oh, take your time, though."
I don't understand anything. I'm trying to figure out how to do that.
Hey, I hope you're doing well. Now, have you ever wanted to run your own fully customizable trading bot that works with crypto? But wait a second, by works with crypto, I don't just mean that it trades crypto. I also mean that it is successful because it harnesses rather than fights against the main feature of crypto, and that's volatility. You know, crypto is definitely the most volatile asset out there. So we might as well make the most of it, right? Well, that is why today I want to take you on a journey to create exactly this kind of trading bot in Python easily. It will run on a crypto exchange and even manage multiple coins at the same time if you feel like it. And all this for free. Now, if you're curious to know what this sweet little powerhouse can achieve, take a look at these results. Let's start easy with Ethereum and its 764% profits in just a few years. But more importantly, a very healthy equity curve, as you can see, and a stunning win rate of 85%. And all this for a maximum drawdown of only 16%. All in all, it actually gave a very attractive Sharpe ratio of 1.3. Now, let's crack it up with Bitcoin, which boasts a staggering 1041% profits and also a beautiful, robust equity curve. It maintains also a very appealing win rate of 86% and, listen to this, a maximum drawdown of only 7% and a Sharpe ratio of 1.4. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, that's great if you're skeptical, because today I'm providing you with every tool you need to make your own mind. We will also dive deeper in results analysis later and explore other coins. But always keep in mind that past performances are never a guarantee of future results. I can never emphasize this enough. Now, just a technicality. The codes that we'll be using are in Python, but you don't need a extensive knowledge to run everything. I'll be as pedagogical as possible, and as you will see, I've developed everything such that it is very easy to change parameters or setups and test them, and then run what one prefers. But now, if you do want to learn about Python, or you need a refresher about your knowledge, we do have a comprehensive Python for Finance free course available on this channel. You'll find it in this article from our website, robottraders.io. I've linked it in the description down below. The link is here, and in there you'll find all the chapter videos, but also a written format of the course. I've also linked in this article all the resources for this training bot. So here are the links to our GitHub of the Python codes we'll be looking into shortly. And I've also coded the strategy of this trading bot in PineScript. So if that's more your thing, you can find it here. And here's the link to the video that explains it. Now, let me also add that all of this is absolutely free and open source. This is really the philosophy of this channel. Okay, now let's get practical. I've only shown you some fancy results so far, but I want to emphasize that the real point of this video goes beyond that. It's really about empowering you with all the tools you'll need to effectively manage a trading bot like this. Now, maybe you don't really know and you're not used to trading bots and you're wondering, what does the end game look like? Well, let me show you. So here I am on my BitGet futures trading account. That's indeed the crypto exchange I've developed the trading bot to work on. So what I'm going to do now is simply run the trading bot. And what you'll see in a few seconds is that you're going to have a bunch of trigger orders popping up here and also updating on the chart here. And obviously, all these trigger orders, these orders depend on the rules of the strategy. So these are my entry conditions, my exit conditions, my stop losses, etc., that will trigger or not depending on how the price moves. And you can see as well what I can do. I'm going to run it once again. And what you'll see in a few seconds is that it is going to delete all these orders and going to be placing some new ones. So obviously and there we go. You can see them here coming up. So obviously, for the show, I'm launching the training bot live by myself, but the whole point of this video is also to get it to run automatically on the server. And now we are choosing a AWS server. The reason for this is that it gives a free instance for 1 year. But to achieve all of this, in other words, to ensure that by the end of this video, you're not only capable of handling this bot, but also are comfortable with it operating by itself, we need to go through a few key steps. And of course, this has to begin with a proper understanding of this volatility master strategy the bot uses. Then, as you know, any strategy is defined, but trading strategy is defined by a set of parameters and rules. And before using that strategy with real money, it is crucial to backtest the strategy. In other words, evaluate your choices of parameters and rules on past data. Now, I have said, and it is clear, that past performances never guarantee future results. But on the other hand, if you test and you find out that your strategy doesn't work well with past data, on historical data, then your strategy probably needs to go to the rubbish. So you need to check for that. Also, keep in mind that it is through careful backtesting on various market conditions that you can identify robust parameters for your strategy. So that are all the reasons why we'll take some time to thoroughly analyze some backtest results of this strategy and also go through the Python code that does these backtests. So you can do your own testing, do your own modifications, and possibly create your own strategies with all of that. And then finally, we'll be able to go through all the steps to install and automate this live trading bot on the AWS server. And I will also explain how the live trading bot code works. So again, you can implement your own setup, but also use it as a template to build other trading bots if you feel like it. Okay, enough chitty chatting. Let's get down to business and review this awesome strategy. TradingView will be perfect to get a nice clear picture. So first, let's discuss building blocks and rules. So really, this strategy is a mean reversion strategy, and I've tailored it to work on a 1 hour time frame. So the first building block is really this short-term price average that you see here. So the first building block is really this short-term price average that you see here in white. And from there, what we do is that we compute some key levels. So we simply displace this price average to create those envelopes here. And displace building block is really this short work on a 1 hour time frame in reversion strategy blocks and rules. So really, this strategy is a mean reversion strategy, and I've tailored it to work on a 1 hour time frame. So the first building block is really this short-term price average that you see here in white. And from there, what we do is that we compute some key levels. So we simply displace this price average to create those envelopes here. And the concept, the idea with this mean reversion strategy is, as you can see, the price here follows peacefully its life, but every now and then you have a anomaly, a volatility spike that you see here. And what happens with these spikes is that in general, they get corrected quickly. So the price has this bump, but then goes back to the price average quite fast. Let me zoom in a bit. No strategy is perfect. Not all corrections go so fast, etc. But it works quite well, and that's the spirit of the strategy. So as you can see here, what happens is that what we say simply is that when the price hits one of these bands here, we enter a trade. So now you understand what we saw just before, these orders that were placed on the crypto exchange or those trigger orders